I'm not real. Or maybe I am. Okay, wait, let me explain. The person you're seeing right now isn't actually me, it's an AI version of me, my digital twin, created using Google Gemini. Crazy, right? And the best part is you can create your own AI version too, one that looks like you, dresses how you want, and travels anywhere of your dream without ever stepping in front of a camera. Alright, let's get practical. I'll show you step by step how I created my AI twin using just Gemini and Pinterest. So grab your phone, open your browser, and let's get started. Now the first thing we are going to use is Google Gemini. You can download the app or use the browser, but this is the interface once you are in. Now click on create image. Then you click on this plus sign right here. Now choose the picture you want to use, and in case you want a landscape of your pictures, make sure to use a picture that is landscape. If you want a portrait style, make sure to use a picture that is in the portrait size. Once you upload your portrait size in Google Gemini, all the pictures it's going to give you will be portrait size. If you want a landscape, choose a picture from your gallery that is landscape. Now type this prompt: create a digital avatar of her in a car. You can choose to put her anywhere that you want, but I want my first picture of her to be in her car. Once you're done, click on this right here to generate. Now this is beautiful. I have the same face, the same hair, and the outfit is still the same. Now you can choose to change her background, her outfit, her hair, any way that you want her to look, you can choose to do that. Now let's change her outfit and her location. So I'm going to type this in the prompt: change her outfit to a more silky, classy look in a luxurious restaurant. Girl, look at that. Look at her looking all classy, all sexy, all luxurious, sitting down confidently. I mean, come on, this is good. And the face is still the same. That's one thing I love about Gemini. The face is still the same. You can choose to change her location. I'm going to change it to she's in Dubai. Now you see how it changed the background, but it didn't change the outfit or the face. That's how cool Gemini is. Now let's make your AI twin look amazing. Open Pinterest and search for outfit ideas that fit your brand or niche. If you are building a professional brand, search for things like neutral office outfit aesthetic. If you are going for lifestyle, try summer outfit aesthetic or Dubai luxury fashion look. Download the outfits you love. You can even make a mood board. Once you've got them, we'll go back to Gemini. Now click on the plus sign right here and choose the outfits that you got from Pinterest. Now make sure the outfit you get from Pinterest is not worn by anybody. It makes it easier for your avatar to wear this. So once you upload it, you type this in your prompt: make her wear this outfit on the streets of Tokyo, or make her wear this outfit. You can just put her anywhere and click on generate. Now you see how easy that is. She is looking the same. She's wearing the same outfit and she's on the street of Tokyo. This is so cool, right? Now you can type this in the prompt: she is in a private jet, and click on generate. Just look at that. She still looks the same outfit, and she's in a private jet. Now let's choose another outfit for her. You can type this in the prompt: make her wear this outfit chilling in Paris. Now this is nice. This is very nice. Your AI avatar is in Paris while you are in your bedroom. How cool is that? You can choose to change outfits and change locations to anywhere that you want, and for as many times as you want. It's totally free. You can now place your clone anywhere: in a private jet, working in a luxury office, on a motorbike, sitting by the beach in Bali, or even chilling in Paris. It can even be in China, anywhere that you want. Just update the background in your prompt. Gemini will do the magic for you. Now here's where it gets exciting. Your AI twin can actually make you money. Once you've created different versions of yourself, you can start posting them on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube as an AI influencer brand. Brands love creative visuals, and many are partnering with digital creators who don't even exist in real life. You can also use your AI version to create thumbnails, mockups, brand visuals, or even start a faceless YouTube channel. Basically, you're building a business where your digital twin works for you. So there you have it. You've just created your own AI twin using Google Gemini right from your phone. You can give him or her different outfits, scenes, and vibes and build a whole brand around it. If you want to see how I use my AI clone to create faceless content that actually makes money, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell because the next video will blow your mind. And if you found this video helpful, drop a heart in the comments and I'll know you are part of the AI creator family.